the good life, full of fun.
Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Another big exciting day in my kitchen. I'm going to tell you why. I got Pandora playing in the background, and I got Frank Sinatra playing on the Count Basie album, I Believe in You. Great song, absolutely great song. And everything in your kitchen comes out better if you play Frank or Dino. I don't know if you guys know that or not. Tony Bennett doesn't hurt either, I got to tell you. So today I thought we'd take a trip to Puglia, Italy. Puglia, Italy is southeast. If you think of Italy as the boot, there's that heel area. It's one of the great areas of Italy because it's got geography that involves sandy beaches and cliffs and rocks, and it's hot, and you know, it's just got a beautiful climate, and it's my favorite place. That's certainly why I bought a home out there. And there's a drink that I have out there, more so in the summer, but I found in my immense testing of everything Italian that you can have this any time of the year. And this is a coffee drink that's going to be mixed with something delicious. So a lot of us are familiar with iced coffee, which you can get in Italy, and it's really common. But in this case, we're going to take that iced coffee and we're going to mix it with almonds. And our drink today is going to be coffee in almond milk, or coffee and iced coffee. So we're going to add coffee, espresso, with almond milk over ice and some other little kill it flavors that we have in our little village, Vico del Gargano, okay? So let me go over the ingredients with you. It's simple, it's fast, it's fun, and like I said, you can have this anytime throughout the year. So number one, we're gonna need some coffee. So we're gonna want 2 shots per drink. We're gonna want 2 shots of espresso. So I've got an espresso coffee maker. You're gonna make an espresso right on the stove, right? With a boiler, with a coffee maker. You can do a French press. It doesn't matter, I don't care. But however you're going to get some espresso, God forbid if you have to, it's better than nothing, guys. Do some, you could do some instant, however you got to do it. Don't get mad at me, don't scream at me. But sometimes some of our listeners, you don't have everything available to you, and I can appreciate that. So we're going to want 2 shots of espresso, number one, okay? Number 2, you're going to want a shaker, because ideally this thing's going to come out better if we get it a shaker. I always have a shot, not that I have a lot of drinks here, but as you know, we like to make some Italian drinks here to have a little fun in cooking Italian with Joe. Now we want to make that almond milk. So I've got 1 cup of almonds, whole almonds raw. I've got a cup of water, just regular water. I've got a pinch, one of my favorites, nutmeg. It is, I don't know, I can't explain it, it's my favorite. So I've got a pinch. Now remember, a little bit of nutmeg goes a long way. We don't have a lot of quantity here. So just a pinch, a breath of it. We want about 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla. Oh, love vanilla. Vanilla's good when you smell it and then you taste it, and it's disgusting, right? Unless you had some sugar. Oh, guess what? I've got some sugar. So I've got 1 teaspoon of sugar. So we're gonna wanna make some almond milk. So I'm gonna show you how to make that. We're gonna want some kind of strainer, or you're gonna want some kind of cloth in order to strain out the goodness of the almonds, okay? After we blend it, I'll show you how to do that. We're gonna want a couple of glasses. Commonly it's served in something like this. Certainly a stemless glass of any type is more traditional. We're gonna need some ghiaccio and some ice, which I've got in the freezer, obviously, so we're gonna bring that out. There is no olive oil in this recipe, as you guys know, but if there was some olive oil in there, you'd certainly wanna put some really high quality, maybe some of the best olive oil you've ever had. So lucky for you, I actually own a farm in Italy. We make our own olive oil. So for anyone new to our channel here, it's Vito and Joe's. My 2 boys are named Vito and Joe. And we've got a farm right in, guess where? Puglia, Italy. And we make our own olive oil. We actually can ship it right here in the United States. So if you go to my Facebook page, or Cooking Italian with Joe, or hit the link below our video here, and we can actually drop ship you a bottle or a case or cases of some of the best olive oil you'll ever have. It's grassy, earthy, it's peppery, and I call it a trip to Italy right in the bottle. So let's get started. First and foremost, the hardest part of this, which isn't hard at all, is making our almond milk. All right, to get started, I got my blender, got a Vitamix over there, which is Rockstar. I'm gonna add almonds, my whole almonds, boom. I'm gonna add my water, okay, 1 cup of water, splash. I'm gonna add my sugar, teaspoon. We're gonna pop our little splash of vanilla, and again, just a little breath of our nutmeg, okay? Give that a quick stir, let's head over to the blender. And guys, I'm gonna hit this with a few pulses, but I really wanna mulch it up really good. Okay, we've got a beautiful blend right now. Now we're gonna strain it. All right, so there's our almond milk. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour right in there. Guys, I put a little splash of water in there just to clean out the rest of it. And then just give that a little shake. And there's some homemade almond milk. How hard is that? All right, now I gotta go through the hard, laborsome process of making some espresso. This is gonna be tough. Whew, that's exhausting. All right, I've got my coffee, so I'm gonna put it right in there. Oh, look at that. Now I'm gonna put 2 full shots of the almond milk, a little bit heavy, per drink. Okay, so I'm gonna do about 4 shots in here, making 2 drinks. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll go a little bit heavy because those are, there you go. Now I'm gonna put some ice in my glasses. Okay, set those aside. Now I'm gonna fill up the rest of this with ice, just to give it a quick chill. And I'll go as high as I can on these 2 drinks. Now I'm headed back to my bartending days here at Boreo's. You give that thing a good tap, and give it a shake. Ready to go, let's fill these puppies up. You guys know it's my favorite time. Oh, you can smell, the first thing that hits you is the coffee, and then you get that almond flavor, and then you get that nutmeg, that vanilla, oh, that's good. I'll tell you what makes this come out really good is if you subscribe to our channel. There's a little red button right down there. When you click it, what it does is any notifications, any new recipes, anything with blogging with Boyd, it'll come right to your notification box. And I'll tell you, it means a lot when you subscribe to our channel. And hey, it makes you part of the family, you know what I'm saying? All right, so I'm ready to hit this. That's good. Oh yeah, that's good. You know what it does is it hits you with that almond flavor. And it's not what I would call sweet at all, but it just softens that bitterness of the espresso. And it's so cool, it's refreshing, and it's so great. Like I said, you can't taste the nutmeg. You can just feel, like almost feel the vanilla, but you almost don't hit it. And it's so refreshing, like on a winter's day, you know, sitting by the fireplace, or my favorite would be sitting on the shore of Puglia, you know, just because I'm sitting near the Adriatic Sea. I mean, that ain't a bad day, you know what I'm saying? So, Hey, thanks for joining me for a wonderful trip to Puglia, Italy today with iced coffee and almond milk. Absolutely delicious. Guys, remember to subscribe to our channel, click that red button, make you part of the family. Hit our website or our Facebook or the link below. Grab yourself a bottle of Vito and Joe's olive oil. Trip to Italy right in a bottle. Hey guys, remember to shut off the electronics, the TV, the cell phone, the computer, even just for a few minutes, and get around the table, make a mess, tell stories, celebrate your heritage, and set some traditions that'll last you a lifetime. I know they did for me. And guys, from my kitchen to yours, until next week, mwah, bon appetito.
Good life, full of fun, seems to